Here I'm going to explain you the entire box model in CSS with the help of a diagram, and then we will move forward to the actual implementation of it, right? So let's just see that. So here we have an entire box model in CSS where we have 4 layers. The first one is content itself, and then on top of that we have padding, and on top of padding we have border, and on top of border we have margin, right? Now let's just understand this particular box model with the help of an example, okay? So here we have created 2 div elements. The first one is a parent and the second one is a child. Parent is the whole screen and the second one is its child, where we have box as content, right? Now let's just look at our box model. We have this content. Now let's just define the border first, okay? So for specifying the border, we'll write border that would be 2 pixel solid black, okay? Here you can see we have got the border at. Now let's say we want some gap between the content and the border, okay? So if we see our box model, we have this border and we have this content, right? Now if I want some gap between the border and the content, we need to specify the padding, right? So we can just specify that as well. We can just write padding that would be 20 pixel, let's say. Now as you can see, we have got some gap between the border and the content, right? Now if I want some gap outside the border, what can I do? So let's just see at our box model. So as you can see here, if I want some gap outside the border, we need to specify the margin, okay? So if I just write down margin, that would be around 50 pixel. Now as you can see, we have got some gap outside the border as well. So this is how the entire box model of CSS looks like.